Hello viewers, welcome to Top 8 for Health. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the top 8 ways to relieve stress. Viewers, if you did not subscribe this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. Stress and anxiety are common experiences for most people. According to a survey, 70% of adults in the US say they feel stress or anxiety daily. The methods to relieve stress. Number 1 is exercise. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do to combat stress. It might seem contradictory, but putting physical stress on your body through exercise can help relieve mental stress. And the benefits are strongest when you exercise regularly. People who exercise regularly are less likely to experience anxiety than those who don't exercise. Method number 2 is spend time with friends and family. Social support from friends and family can help you get through stressful times. Being part of a friend network gives you a sense of belonging and self-worth, which can help you in through times. Method number 3 is laugh. It's hard to feel anxious when you are laughing. It is good for your health, and there are a few ways it may help relieve stress. Brings more oxygen into your body and organs, stimulates and relieves your stress response, relieves tension by relaxing your muscles in the long term. Laughter can also help improve your immune system and mood. Number 4, take a yoga class. Yoga has become a popular method of stress relief and exercise among all age groups. While yoga styles differ, most share a common goal to join your body and mind. Yoga primarily does this by increasing body and breath awareness. In general, the benefit of yoga for stress and anxiety seems to be related to its effect on the nervous system and stress response. Number 5, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness describes practices that anchor you to the present moment. It can help combat the anxiety, including effects of negative thinking. There are several methods for increasing mindfulness, including mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, mindfulness-based stress reduction, yoga and meditation. Number 6, cuddle. Cuddling, kissing, hugging, and sex can all help relieve stress. Positive physical contact can help release oxytocin and lower cortisol. This can help lower blood pressure and heart rate, both of which are physical symptoms of stress. Number 7, listen to music. Listening to music can have a very relaxing effect on the body. Slow-paced instrumental music can include the relaxation response by helping lower blood pressure and heart rate. As well as stress hormones, listening to music you like can be a good way to relieve stress. Number 8, deep breathing. Mental stress activates your sympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to go into fight or fight mode. During this reaction, stress hormones are released and you experience the physical symptoms of stress. Your heart beats faster, you breathe quicker, and your blood vessels constrict. Deep breathing exercise can help activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which controls the relaxation response. Deep breathing activates the relaxation response. For more videos, please subscribe to Top 8 for Health. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.